Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to come on here and say thank you so much for 300 subscribers. I am just absolutely delighted with how quickly we have been growing. I am so excited to see what the next couple of months bring us. My goal by the end of this year is to be at 1,000 subscribers, so I think we are getting there very quickly. Thank you so much for subscribing to me. I hope you stick around. I do makeup videos, fitness videos, maybe fashion videos in the future. I don't know. I do hair videos on how to style hair, how to dye your hair. I'm also thinking about how to cut your own bangs, because I do cut my own bangs and I like them. They're like wispy bangs. But yeah, I'm chilling out here in the winter and a car drove by. I just wanted to come on here and just say thank you so much for subscribing to me, and I hope you stick around. Thank you for joining my little family of people who want to watch my crazy life. Thank you guys so much, and if you're interested in this makeup video, I will be posting it later on today, so you guys get 2 uploads from me today. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any requested videos. I don't have my February schedule written out right now, which is very unlike me, but let me know any requested videos. I will be writing down, and you'll most likely see them in February. We only have 1 more day left of January, so just let me know and you'll most likely be seeing it pretty soon. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys.